Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends and traders around the world. This is Jeff Goodwin from Forex Trading for Beginners and the Ninjas. Now, it's been really interesting today. My Facebook Messenger has been non-stop with various people wanting access to my propulsion entry system and various attributes of the matrix resolutions. Now, I'm not going to release the secrets here. You may find some of it within the Ninja, so you may not, I don't know. You may find some of it in the academy, because recently, over the last year anyway, some of the things I've been doing have been ended up in our academy, including the matrix, including much more. So I just want to show you what's happened today with Euro USD, 7 a.m. as always, not changing the time, strict. So I'm not picking a particular time. I'm going to play some music in the background. A little bit different this time from Kazakhstan, a famous singer called Dimash. It's passionate. So share my screen. Here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's 7 a.m. You see it right there. Simple rules. Yeah, red background, sell, but everything else match up. That says sell, that says sell. But a whole bunch of stuff going on here, but as long as it stays under this here, we're okay. Now at that point there, we've got a decision to make. It doesn't go across here, so we'll probably exit the trade there, ladies and gentlemen. And then re-enter there and exit. Does that make sense? Absolutely. So what we're going to do today, we're going to talk about risk to reward. Let's not count pips. Let's talk about risk to reward. So that first one, just using these basic, simple rules, 2%. Yeah, 2%. Then we get back in there, ladies and gentlemen, another one. This one here, we put the stop loss just above the high as it comes back down, but we don't enter until there. And we do a similar thing, goes down, comes back up, and then we can exit round about there. 5.5 plus 2 is 7.5%. Now everything must match up. Now see this here, that there is not above the line. No trade. Consolidation, ladies. See all this mess here, all this consolidation. Yeah, it says buy, but that says sell. Stay out of it. At this point here, ladies and gentlemen, it breaks the line. We've got a decision to make. It says sell. So options, we forget or we can wait. Let's wait. It tests it. It tests it. So you see now it's breaking out of this range. We've actually broke through that area there. So at this point here, I would look to enter that trade. Just below the low, it goes up to 0.59. Then you've got this decision to make, ladies and gentlemen. This was sometimes having a set profit 1.5 2 times. Beautiful music comes, but whatever it is, goes up and down like this, like a yo-yo. But let's just stick to some basic principles. Just there. I'll go back and count them all at the end. Another one here. Sometimes so it says divergence is above the line. So this one would be but uncertainty. Let's take that though. Above that line, below the low, and when it swaps over to red, 2.36. So let's start adding these up, ladies and gentlemen. It's getting too much. 2, 5.5, 7.5. Let's call the 8.5. I know it's a little bit less short, but 8.5 will make up for it there. And there, 8.5. And 2 here, that's 10.5. There. We'll forget that one there. 10.5, ladies and gentlemen, 10.5. This is why so many people are wanting to get involved with the propulsion entry system. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, that's right. Just above there. See that there? Comes down, comes down, comes down. 9. And when it goes green, exit that trade. You see that there? So that's 10 and 7, 17%. Yeah. Comes up. That's the entry there, ladies and gentlemen, as long as everything else is correct. Below there, maybe even below there. It goes there. Yes, it does go higher. 17 and 4 is 21. We're up trends. At the moment, we're only taking buys. 21, we get the entry, goes above there. Let me see if I can see this, ladies and gentlemen. 21. I'll delete that in a minute. There we go. Let's see what else we've got. 21. So we get the entry there. If that agrees, yes, it does. Where does this go? Just under there. So we're 21. See how this stays above the line. At that point, they've got just to make. Oh, I tried to break through, but it didn't manage. So 21. We're 8% for this one. It's the power of a propulsion entry system. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not involved, I do encourage you. See when it goes red right there. Look at that there. The power. This is a 1 minute time frame. Look at this here, ladies and gentlemen. 14% on top of everything else. You can't make this up. I'm going to go back to just to clarify this. Some people think I make this up, but I don't. 7 a.m. 2% and 5.5 is 7.5. Call that 1. Yeah, 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. 10.5. Yeah, and 7. 17.5. And 4.5. Call that 18. 22, ladies and gentlemen. 22 and an additional 13. 35.5%. You cannot make this stuff up. 35.5%. It goes down. The entry's there underneath that there, as long as that agrees. That actually says you can get it there, but I'm holding on. I'm holding on. 35. I'm trusting the system that I built, the propulsion entry system. This one's not a good one. Let's just be honest about it. This one's not the best one. This particular trade I'm talking about, that there just goes above there. Yeah, that's just call it 100%. 35.5. That one's underneath, no trade. 35.5. See the power right there. That agrees. Here we go. Comes down. Just above that. Let me see if we can get this. 35.5, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, that's about right. 35.5. 36. 39%. It goes up. A retest. Let's take this one. We could have been in there. We saw that. We'd have probably been out very even. Ladies and gentlemen, traders around the world, if you're not getting some of this on a daily basis, you are missing out. You are missing out big. They tried to break through, but it failed. Yeah, we've got a decision to make. We've got equities, we can trust it. 37 and 9. What's that? What's 37? 46%, ladies and gentlemen. 40, no trade. We could have got that, but let's not roll that. 46%. Easy, easy. $46. 46 into 48%. Thank you very much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, can you see why so many people are moving to the propulsion entry system that comes as part of the V70 Plus strategy? Now, what I released yesterday is to help those people struggling, which is the whole new level. Yeah, with stabilizers. This is pure. This is like almost like stealing from the banks. It's every single day on a consistent daily basis. Some days 65%, some days 55%. So far today, 46%. If you want some of the action, I do encourage you to reach out. If you are a struggling trader, you've got nothing to lose. Let's message me. Let's have a meet up, a catch up for a 30-minute strategy call where I'll look at how you trade and see what we can do to improve it, whether we're adjusting the strategy, whether we adjust the time frame, fine tune, or perhaps it's a mindset. Yeah. Whoever you are, perhaps you're sitting on the fence about joining on myself and ninjas, perhaps uncertain. Well, hopefully, I've shown enough winning videos day after day after day. Whatever you're doing, have a lovely day, ladies and gentlemen, and I will see you at the top. Bye for now, and have a great day.